This is our first time. The turnout is quite good. We are happy with the response from our members of staff and other people in the building. And we pray that in future we'll even have bigger events and better turnout.
Today we are here at Directline Assurance, where we have come to have some donors donate blood. In our facility, we normally issue blood to every hospital in Nairobi County, the whole facilities. And also we have a lot of patients. Those are admitted in hospitals. We have burn patients, we have leukemia patients, we have even accident patients that come to different hospitals in our hospitals, and we normally offer blood free of charge.